again is Jake Dalida for 3,032. Fourth runner-up, Heaven Grace Penalva, grade 10 Polaris with 12,485 and 25 centavos. Our third runner-up, Jolas Dewan with 5,567 pesos. Third runner-up, Ma'am, pakicheck ka na, hindi pa yun. Tama ko. Third runner-up is Ma'am, pacheck. Ma'am, pakicheck. Si Stella Ado. Third runner-up, 12,000.
13, sir. 13.
Third runner-up is Sinaki Penalva. Tama? 12,824. Okay? Our second runner-up. Let's start up kita sa mga fifth runner-up. Hanggang fourth runner-up lang, di ba?
Fourth runner-up, my fifth.
So, pang-fifth. Ganit, balik kaya ma'am. Ayusun na. Ayusun. Dapat one fifth runner-up, fourth runner-up na lang tayo. Okay, ulitin ko ha. Fourth runner-up, ito ka lang eh. Frederick Pastrana and Mika Akoy. Okay, third runner-up natin ay si Jake Dalida and Heaven Grace Penalva. Tama? Our second runner-up is Jolas Dewan and Saina K. Penalva. Our first runner-up is Paul Nero Victoriano and Stella Marie Cortez. Our King of Hearts 2024 is Allen.
Si Sam.
Bakit siya ganun ka lang? Ngayon, nakali kita. Kanyo makuhan. Saina King Penalva, pilaan mo ng total. Ayun. Thank you.
Nakawa ako, pagkataw ko ito, naman 13,000.
12 lang daw. Thank you for the honesty, Manan. Pero yan tama. 12. O, di ba? Ikaw mapagkagawa proud. Honesty is the best policy. Thank you, Madam Grace. Alright, our second runner-up again is si Kainaki at si Jolas Dewan. Our first runner-up is Paul Nero Victoriano and Stella Marie Cortez. Our King of Hearts 2024 is Iron on it, Leonor. Grade 10 SC, and our Queen of Hearts 2024 with 58,577 and 75 centavos is Joe Gaspar. Grade 10 SPE. Congratulations! At nakapasok sa Royal Court. Ma'am, nakapasok sa Royal Court, we have Eljud Castillo, grade 11 STEM, Michael John Bantigue. Sino po naman nakasulat? Nakasulat na sa 2,000. Sa babae, we have Trisha May Bolanos, Angelica Rose Bermilio. Sino po naman 2,000? Pero kung pila yung nato mapasunod na sa pag-rampa o pagpasunod. Kasi dato ng gano'n. Ma'am, sino pa nakasunod sa 2,000? Final result ay i-post natin sa GC. Ha? Sa GC natin i-post sila. May mga katanaw. 2,000 lang. Sila lang? Pa-check? Sila lang yung pasok? Ma'am, dito ka ni Shine na tinaw, ma'am. Kasi diba? Pwede, ma'am? Gusto ko si Shine na may tinaw, ma'am. Shine na may part of the Royal Court. Bermilio Angelica Pasok. 2050, pasok siya. Sino ba? Si Ella May Feliciano 2016, part of the Royal Court. Sino ba? Si Judel. Ano po si Judel? Okay, si Anya Nicole Bawi is part of, and Joseph Villanueva is part of the Royal Court. Yan. So, yung check pagin natin, i-check natin doon yung mga members of the Royal Court at atong i-post sa GC at magbalik niya sa school tomorrow. May question? Buwan lang kasi sino the change bukid kasama sa support sa school. God bless everyone. Yeah, thank you. Ito ang nataon. Tataon mo ng person. 10,000 ako. Huwag na tayo sa iba. Busy ba? Percentage.
There's your buttons, press the buttons.